Acuna is dedicated to improving your quality of life. We offer exceptional, all-natural health products, and our direct-to-consumer marketing is a cost-effective strategy, saving you time and money. Acuna provides a multi-level marketing business opportunity. The positive impact our products make in your life will likely motivate you to recommend them to your friends and people you care about. This is the basis of multi-level marketing. It's advantageous to you and your customers, as it eliminates costs associated with advertising, transportation, distributor markups, and in-store displays. When a new customer is introduced to Acuna's products, you will receive a discount or commission on their orders, provided they have signed on with Acuna. The more volume you do, the more commissions you earn. Acuna also offers bonuses and incentives for helping other customers start their business. So as they achieve more success, so do you. Our marketing program is designed for easy advancement opportunities. With Acuna, commissions are created by bonuses up to the 9th active generation of your network. Additionally, infinity incentives are based on the unlimited depth of your client base. The consistency of your financial wellness is guaranteed as your marketing efforts are rewarded. Acuna provides its customers with the means to achieve business success. We supply promotional materials, quarterly magazine publications, websites, online ordering services, an international health chat forum, and of course support staff available by phone. Acuna believes in social wellness. We organize corporate and distributor events complete with training seminars, medical lecture workshops, and even sport events where you can meet like-minded individuals who share your passion for health and success. And when you excel as a consultant, you can take part in our corporate-sponsored contests where recognized talent have an opportunity to win a car and/or luxury vacations. We've already been to Las Vegas, the Caribbean, and Croatia. Acuna guarantees you personal support until you become a fully successful and independent business. This means if you require financial assistance, we can help. Lacking self-confidence? No problem. You can attend training sessions hosted by a certified Acuna distributor. So let's begin. Just think, all the advantages can be yours for a small registration fee of $15 plus any applicable taxes. This investment allows you to purchase all our products with a discount and entitles you to receive our registration package, complete with information about our company, product line, and our compensation plan. Are you as excited as we are? Are we going to be partners? Now it's up to you. Achieve health and success. Direct your own destiny.